I just want to point something out here. If you're making shorts for YouTube, you can use them on TikTok. And if you're making TikTok videos, you can use them on shorts. It's a content 2-for-1, and if you haven't thought about it, I'll explain. Coming right up. Hey everyone, I'm Tiffany, and I have a couple of YouTube channels, but I'm also trying to hustle them on social media, which brings me to today's topic. Because if you're not repurposing your content on different platforms, chances are you are feeling kind of burnt out. It's kind of weird, right? Publishing the same content in different places. But then I got over it because I couldn't keep up with all the channels. But also I realized something important, that most people have their favorite platform and they kind of stick to it. So chances are, if you're running a vertical video on TikTok or on YouTube Shorts or over on Instagram, chances are your followers aren't seeing it in all those places. They're just seeing it in their favorite place. It takes a lot for people to leave TikTok if they love TikTok. And the same can be said for all the other social media channels out there. And then even if they are cruising through Instagram, cruising through TikTok, cruising on YouTube, checking out your content, there is so much content out there that it's okay to repeat yourself a bit. So my suggestion to you is, if you're shooting vertical video, use it on TikTok and YouTube Shorts. I'm not even going to get into Instagram here because I'm not that good at Instagram. But I have been making progress on TikTok, and shooting vertical was a whole new thing for me. But I thought if I was making the effort to shoot for TikTok, why not do YouTube Shorts as well? Because they're both vertical formats. They both have a max allowance of 60 seconds. Although I'm hearing out there that there are some beta TikTok users who are allowed up to 3 minutes now. That's not happening on my account yet, so I'm not going to get too worried about it. Shorts are also a max of 60 seconds. And FYI, you don't need the Shorts camera tool to shoot a Shorts and upload a Shorts and get it playing on the YouTube Shorts shelf. That camera tool exists primarily right now in India, although they are promising to roll it out to American YouTube users soon. But you don't have to do that. And actually, this was holding me back from trying YouTube Shorts because I couldn't figure it out. How the heck do you get a Shorts up? Well, it's super simple. You just title your video and then add the hashtag Shorts either in your title or in the description box below, and voila, you got a short. There's an S on the end.
Oh, YouTube.
Oh, and if you're wondering where I got the information on Shorts, I actually got it in the Video Ranking Academy community because I was totally confused about it, and I posted a question there, and then people got back to me and we had a conversation back and forth, and I figured it all out super quick. So I'll post a link below to that if you're interested, because it's actually the community that's associated with Sean Cannell's course. It's more than a course, actually. It's the Video Ranking Academy. It's what I've been using to help grow Hammer and Home super fast and do all the right things in all the right order. I'll put a link to that below. And if you don't know what YouTube Shorts is, you should look into it. Whether you're part of a community like VRA or not, get researching, because it's YouTube trying to get in on that sweet TikTok action. It's still in beta phase, which means that it's a great chance to kind of get in on the ground floor of something, because we all know with social media channels, if you're in it from the beginning, then you've got a better chance of growing fast. YouTube's still trying to figure out how they're rolling it out. They have a Shorts shelf. I don't think they're totally sure yet. When you read their literature on it, they're recommending 15 seconds in length, but we've been going a little longer, 20, 30 seconds. And for our Hammer and Home content, we've been sticking with our general theme of our channel, which is providing useful information. So even though the Shorts with a maximum of 60 seconds are much shorter than our general videos, which are usually always 8 minutes and longer, we consider it a bite-sized way to just get across a quick hit of information, a quick hit of how-to. The cool thing about Shorts is you can use them to promote your other content. Long content, people can click right through onto the next video. And the main thing with Shorts is, because you can kind of sort of monetize them, but not really, and they're not long enough to really make you any money, the main thing with Shorts is subscribers because there's a big ol' subscribe button right on the middle of your vertical video. So if someone's just scrolling through and they don't even want to take the time to check out your channel, they can still hit subscribe right there. So the idea is to give them a little taster, a little teaser of the content that you offer on your channel. Anyhow, I'm totally getting off track here. I just want to make my main point that if you're going to the effort of shooting that vertical video, use it on at least 2 channels. Get a content 2-for-1. Upload it to TikTok, then upload it to YouTube. Do the same things that you do on both platforms to maximize the potential of your video getting seen, your hashtags, all that stuff, and repurpose your content. Take the stress off a little bit. Are you doing this? Are you repurposing content yet? Have you thought about it? Are you even shooting vertical video at all? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a like and consider subscribing because I'm doing all kinds of videos on my digital marketing journey for all my YouTube channels. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.